Bitrobius Genetics is a gene therapy company. We develop new technologies for delivering DNA into cells, and that DNA carries a correct copy of a faulty gene. So the idea is that you can put it into a certain organ and replace the gene that's causing the disease. So we're developing a new technology called Gentrafix, which will allow us to develop cures for a number of different genetic diseases. So it really started off as just a concept in my spare room. I got venture capital funding to start the company up, and then that allowed us to move into Alderley Park and set up operations here. So there are a number of excellent services at Alderley Park that have really supported our research. One of those is the Open Access Lab, which is where we first started, and that was really useful because it provided a number of different shared equipment, which we didn't have at the time, being a brand new startup, so we could get going much quicker. So it has labs of all different sizes, so we can grow as we expand into the space we need. And also it had the facilities and the other companies located here, institutions that we could collaborate with. So everything that we needed was under one roof.